So the bike that we have on, so the bike that I'm going to be working on today, sorry, sniffles, is the Schwinn Le Tour. I've taken the bottom bracket out, and you can see it's got some stuff on it. I mean, it looks like there was some kind of motor oil, because this stuff is so thick. But I've got it sitting in the, what do you call this stuff? The green lightning, purple lightning, or whatever you want to call it. So I've been using this stuff to just soften it. So when I actually, I mean, look at that derailleur. That is just nasty. I mean, it's down inside the chain stays. But I got the bottom bracket nice and clean. Currently trying to shut this music off. So I've got the cranks here, and they're just coated. This chainring, it's just nasty. And that's what was going on inside on the ball bearings. So the ball bearings came out of the cups. But I've got the cups all nice and cleaned up in the bottom bracket. This is amazing what you can do to old bottom brackets versus new bottom brackets. The new ones go out, you just throw them away. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. Let's see how much of this I actually get done. What's up, man?